If you are dreaming of engineering and you want to know which colleges in Tamil Nadu are genuinely good, today we are not giving you a strict ranking. We are showing you some of the best engineering colleges in Tamil Nadu based on NAEF 2025, the official Government of India ranking. This is not a complete list. There are many good colleges in Tamil Nadu. These are simply some of the strongest, backed by real data. And every single college in this video has one thing in common. Admission through TNEA, based purely on your class 12 marks. No entrance exam needed. College of Engineering Gindi, Chennai. And Madras Institute of Technology, also in Chennai. Both are constituent colleges of Anna University. NAEF does not rank them separately. Together, Anna University holds national rank 20. CEG, founded in 1794, is the oldest engineering college in India. MIT, founded in 1949, is known for aeronautical and automobile engineering. Both offer admission through TNEA. Both offer strong placements. SSN College of Engineering, Chennai, founded by Shiv Nadar, the man behind HCL Technologies. NAEF 2025, national rank 47, offers strong placements with leading technology companies. Bannari Amman Institute of Technology, Erode. Engineering, Research and Teaching offers placements with companies like Zoho, TCS and Infosys. PSG College of Technology, Coimbatore, founded in 1951. NAEF 2025, national rank 67. Offers placements with employers across India trusting this name deeply. Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai, founded in 1987. NAEF 2025, national rank 67. Offers placements with strong research and innovation backing. Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore, NAEF 2025, national rank 100. Offers placements with strong ties to Coimbatore's manufacturing and tech sectors. Tyagarajar College of Engineering, Madurai, founded in 1957. NAEF places it in the 101 to 150 band. Offers placements that often outperform its NAEF rank. Employers in Tamil Nadu trust this name deeply. Coimbatore Institute of Technology, Coimbatore, founded in 1956. NAEF places it in the 101 to 150 band. Offers placements with steady, reliable industry connections. Kongu Engineering College, Erode. NAEF places it in the 101 to 150 band. Offers placements while remaining one of the most affordable options on this list. Chennai Institute of Technology, Chennai. NAEF places it in the 101 to 150 band. Offers placements with the advantage of being right in the city. Kumaraguru College of Technology, Coimbatore. NAEF places it in the 151 to 200 band. Offers placements with companies like Amazon, Bosch and Decathlon. Two more names you should know. Vitvellore, NAEF 2025, national rank 16. Amrita Vishwa Vidya Peetham, Coimbatore, NAEF 2025, national rank 23. Both are excellent colleges. But both need a separate entrance exam. YTE for Veti and AEEE or GE for Amrita. They don't follow the pure TNEA route like the colleges we just covered. If you're open to writing an entrance exam, we'll cover VIT and Amrita in detail in our next video. Now let us bring it all together. NAEF tells you what the government measures. Employer reputation tells you what industry values. The smartest students look at both, not just one. All data in this video is from NARF India Rankings 2025, published by the Ministry of Education, Government of India. You can verify everything at nirfindia.org. If your dream college isn't in this video, that doesn't mean it's not good. Comment the college name. We will cover it in our next video. Subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon. This counseling season, we are with you every step of the way.